We're at Stimanapa and all the parks from the different islands are, and also Holland, we're trying to raise awareness as to why sharks are important because they're now being threatened with extinction. 100 million sharks are killed each year for their fins and also as bycatch, so accidental catch. So each year we're trying to raise a little bit of awareness. We have funding through the National Postcode Lottery and we're doing all sorts of activities. So we do outreach, but we also do research. We also try to work together with people that accidentally catch sharks so they know what to do when they catch sharks. So these are some of the things we're doing, and this year we have a Shark Week coming up next week. And Stimanapa, we've done two very big, very successful Shark Weeks. This time we have two events scheduled for the public. The first one will be at CIEE. That's the research station on Calle Gobernador de Brot. We do lectures there every month. And this month, it'll be Tuesday, June 6th. We're going to be doing a talk, basically summarizing our program, why sharks are important to the reef, why we should care about sharks. Most people probably don't even think about sharks. But we do have sharks in Bonaire, and we have sharks in our seas. And it's important that we do our best as well to help save these species. So at CIEE, it'll be Tuesday the 6th at 7 p.m. We're going to be talking about our program. We're also going to be talking about the research, all the different things we found by investigating sharks. And we'll be showing our new video that the Junior Rangers did. They did a whole video on sharks. We're going to be showing that there. It'll be one of the first showings. So if you're interested in that, please come and join us. You'll learn all about our program, but also why sharks are important.
The situation, do you have a view of Bonaire, the situation of the sharks? Which type of sharks we have specifically on Bonaire?
Oh my goodness, we have so many different kinds. The ones you probably are familiar with is tiger shark, bull shark, lemon shark, nurse shark, reef shark. I mean, we get them all.
We have the hammer shark also?
Yes, hammerhead shark, of course.
How many sharks we have on the water?
Over 30 species. We did some research last year and we already found hammerheads and also reef sharks on our videos, but I know we have more. So, but the thing is, we don't fish sharks here. We don't fin. We're not part of the problem, but we can be part of the solution. So we're part of a shark sanctuary now. So that means that no other countries can come into our waters and kill our sharks. And that's really important because our sharks are part of the balance of the system. They're like the lions in the savannas. We need them. So it's not that we're hunting them. It's not that our people are doing anything wrong. It's just that we can do a lot to protect them.